AI is about to change business forever, and most people still don't see it coming. We're stepping into a completely new era, and here's the reality. There are new ways to win today that simply didn't exist before. Now, I'm not saying this from theory. I spend all day inside AI systems, automation workflows, and real business operations. And what I'm seeing are patterns most people are missing. So let's break this down. Because if you understand these shifts, you don't just survive what's coming, you position yourself to dominate it. The first shift, we're moving from org charts to leverage systems. The old model was simple. You had departments, you had people, and whenever something broke, you hired more people. That doesn't work anymore. The new model is different. Now one person owns the outcome, and AI handles the execution. This is where most businesses get it wrong. They keep asking, who do we hire next? When the real question is, what system do we build to remove the work entirely? Take sales, for example. You don't need a 10-person team anymore. You need one strong closer, backed by AI systems. Systems that handle outreach, qualify leads, book meetings, follow up, and filter conversations so your closer only talks to people ready to buy. That's leverage. Same thing with marketing. Instead of guessing what to post, AI can analyze what works, generate content, structure campaigns, and execute faster than any team. But here's the key. At scale through automation, we don't just plug in tools. We rebuild the workflow first, because if you automate a broken process, you don't fix it, you scale the problem. The second shift, we're moving from doers to directors. Most people don't get results from AI because they're still trying to do the work themselves. But that's not the role anymore. Your role now is direction. Think about it like this. Before, your team spent 90% of their time doing tasks and maybe 10% thinking. Now, it's flipped. AI handles execution. You focus on strategy, decisions, creative direction, and outcomes. This is what I call the operator mindset. You're no longer the one doing the work. You're the one designing how the work gets done. That's the shift. The third shift. We're moving from feature advantage to data advantage. In the past, businesses competed on features. You build something, your competitor copies it. Game over. But now, AI can build features faster than anyone. So the real advantage is no longer what you build, it's the data behind how you operate. Customer behavior, preferences, patterns. The businesses that win are the ones collecting, organizing, and using data to make decisions. Because when AI has the right data, it doesn't just help you, it becomes smarter than your entire team combined. The fourth shift, the rise of the autonomous back office, finance, HR, operations. These used to be full teams. Now, they're becoming systems. AI that processes requests, executes decisions, closes loops, and reports instantly. No delays, no bottlenecks. But here's the important part. You don't remove people completely. You move people to where they actually matter. Because here's the rule. Patterns should be automated. Exceptions should be handled by humans. That's how you scale properly. And the fifth shift, this one changes everything. We're moving from building advantage to distribution advantage. Because now, anyone can build. AI has removed the barrier. So the question is no longer, can you create something? The real question is, can you get attention? Because when everyone can build, the edge belongs to the person who can reach. That's why content matters. That's why brand matters. That's why positioning matters. Now let me bring this all together. AI is not replacing businesses. It's exposing weak systems. If your workflow is broken, AI will make it worse. But if your systems are strong, AI becomes leverage. It becomes scale. It becomes speed. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. AI is not going to take your job, but someone using AI will outperform you. So if you're serious about getting ahead of this, don't start with tools. Start with your workflow. Fix the system. Then apply automation. If you want to see how we actually do this, go to scalethroughautomation.io. And if you want to go deeper, join the AI and Automation Center using the link below. It's completely free, and it shows you how to start implementing this in your business immediately. Because the businesses that win in this next era are not the ones doing more work. They're the ones who've built systems that do the work for them.